All right, so we're going to talk about circumcenters. Circumcenters are made by the perpendicular bisectors. So the perpendicular bisectors are the sides of the triangle intersect at a point called the circumcenter. So the circumcenter is always equidistant from the vertices of the triangle. So what that's saying is these are also congruent to each other. All right, I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Okay, so list the perpendicular bisectors. So we have PE is a perpendicular bisector, DP is a perpendicular bisector, and PF is a perpendicular bisector. The circumcenter here is P. The congruent segments, so AD is congruent to DB, and BE is congruent to EC, and AF is congruent to FC, and BP is congruent to AP, is congruent to PC. Okay, so pretty much it says that on opposite sides of the perpendicular bisectors, those are congruent, and then all the vertices are congruent. Okay, so if Z is the circumcenter of triangle TUV, find each missing measure. So we also need to mark that these are congruent, these are congruent, these are congruent, and these are congruent. Okay, so TU is going to be 38. VY is going to be half of 34, which is 17. And UZ is going to be 21. Okay? If H is the circumcenter of BCD, find each missing measure. So we need to find GD. That's just half, so that's 12. Then BC is going to be just double of this, so 14. And then CH is just 13. Okay, it's exactly congruent to BH because the vertices are congruent. Okay, if M is the circumcenter of GHI, find each missing measure. I also added that IK is 25 and MH is 34. Okay, so HI is going to be 50. GI is going to be 60. And MG is going to be 34. Okay? And that's it.